I'm gonna throw in a quick review while Tristan's gone. Okay. You know of a show called Kill la Kill? Ass, don't watch it. As the anime guru, Kill la Kill is pretty poop cheeks. I'm sorry. It's, oh my god. Its animation's good. Everything other than that. Hey, welcome back. I'm in the middle of reviewing Kill la Kill. What I was saying is, yo, dog, that animation's good. Everything else, ass.
Like Shadow the Hedgehog the anime.
I'd rather watch a Shadow the Hedgehog anime.
You want to watch Shadow?
Like, I would legit rather watch like an anime about Shadow the Hedgehog. Wait, that exists. That's Kill la Kill. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I was just reviewing shit. Well, honestly, Kill la Kill. As much as if someone got offended in the video of my statement of that, fuck off. No, I'm sorry. We need you. Don't leave. Everyone has right to opinion, unless it's a wrong opinion. They can't go against the word of the anime guru.